Calibrations verified. Entering batch data now. Confirmed.
Temperature reading is 28 Celsius. pH level confirmed. Data entered into the system.
Measurement confirmed. 350 seeds, 2.5 grams.
Another reject here.
Okay, I've logged it. The color uniformity is excellent on this run.
Let's see inside the factory of KFC burger buns.
Here we see the dough divider at work. The ram presses the dough before the blade swiftly separates it into
Speed, weight, and temperature are within parameters. Calibration verified. Batch 74902 initiated.
All clear on this side, finalizing the transfer now.
Received. Closing the proofer.
The second proof is underway. We are holding steady at 38 Celsius and 85% humidity.
Calibrations verified. Entering batch data now. Confirmed.
Temperature reading is 28 Celsius. pH level confirmed. Data entered into the system.
Batch 327 approved. Excellent work, team.
Yes, we did it.
On to glazing.
Measurement confirmed. 350 seeds, 2.5 grams.
Seed count 35. Weight 2.5 grams. Adhesion confirmed.
The sesame coverage is consistent and the temperature is stable. We approve the batch.
All right, approved for baking. Another reject here.
Okay, I've logged it. The color uniformity is excellent on this run.
Height 3.5 centimeters, weight 85 grams, crust 1.5 millimeters. Confirmed.
The internal structure is flawless. Air pocket distribution is uniform, meeting the KFC standard perfectly. Loading bay, this is Corming shipment 45B.
The temperature is confirmed at 4 degrees and the load is secure. Here's the paperwork.
All right, looks good to me.
Everything checked out. 24 pallets confirmed at 4 degrees. Safe travels.
Route confirmed. Proceed to destination.
Two zingers,
No mayo.
extra crispy.
More ketchup.
This is so good.
Subscribe to our channel if you need more videos like this. This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We did not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.